Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome to Royale. The game is simple. Teams of 2 or 3 individual artists compete against each other in a timed battle with one objective: create the best Blender scene. At the beginning of the event, the host will announce the theme. Now this is kept secret until registration opens every Monday, 9 PM British summertime or UK time is when it's scheduled for. Entering Blender Royale, the event is hosted by Erindale.xyz Discord. I'll put the link in the description down below. You must be in the Arena voice channel by 9:10. Registration closes at 11 minutes past. Now we understand people like to be fashionably late. Game time roughly starts around 9:15 and the doors will officially close at 9:30 PM. If you still want to participate after the game has started, you will be added in the next available slot. However, 2 players minimum is required. When it comes to team selection, the teams are selected completely at random by the team generator. Number of players 4 to 10 is teams of 2. Number of players 10 and above is teams of 3. For example, 12 people participate, that is 4 teams of 3 players. Team captains are always picked first, then you get allocated your 2 teammates. And this is your play order, so team captain, teammate 1 and then teammate 2. Now this is a timed event. If we're playing a team of 2 players, it means it's 6 rounds. Each team member is allocated 6 minutes of playtime before passing the scene over to the next team member. 1 round equals team captain plus team member, which means it's a total playtime of 12 minutes. Between all rounds, you will receive a 1 to 2 minute setup time. This will give you the ability to set up your scene and kind of discuss what your next plan of action is going to be. 6 rounds in total per team is played. Overall playtime is 72 minutes, and this doesn't include your 1 and 2 minute breaks. Team of 3 players equals 4 rounds, and it's pretty much the exact same rules. It'll go team captain, team member 1, then team member 2. Total playtime is 18 minutes between all rounds. Again, you'll receive a break. 4 rounds in total is played. Overall playtime is 72 minutes as well. Now we have some basic rules. Be excellent to each other. All participants must broadcast their video so other users can see it and so I can make sure you're not cheating. No use of pre-created assets, so that means you can't go into Sketchfab and you can't download an asset. Everything has to be modelled and unique. All artwork and scenes created during the battle are considered free to distribute without selling. You cannot use commercial assets and textures cannot be redistributed. If I see you breaking these rules, I will add a 1 minute time penalty onto the next player, so stay within the limits. You can download the Blender Royale scenes. Week 1 was Ice Cream Van, Week 2 was a Lighthouse, Week 3 was an Isometric Kitchen, Week 4 was Low Poly Island, and yesterday was the bowling alley. I look forward to seeing you. You know what to do. Take care.